Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to peel out the screen cover on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra for the first time. And let's take a look at the brand new screen on the S24 Ultra. Okay, so here it is. And there is the brand new screen, so we can press on the side button here to start up the device. Once you remove the screen cover, I'm trying to press on the side button and the screen will shortly boot up with the Samsung Galaxy logo. And again, you can see beneath the cover, the screen is completely flat. There is a very tiny curve on the side here, so it's very minimal. Very minimal curve on the side here, but the screen is very bright once you turn it on. Apart from this screen cover, there is no screen protector, so you will need to purchase a screen protector for your device if you want to protect your brand new screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.